Alright, it's been quite some time since I've done a Search for Greebles episode. In fact, it's been a year. You know, the episodes where I take something apart and I make something from all those parts in the same episode? Well, today is that day. So my friend Garrett gives me all kinds of Greebles and items throughout the year. And recently he gave me some water timers, which I think will work perfectly for this project. Now this panel is not for just any nerf herder. This one is for the Empire. Not only that, this one will be outfitted with a new exclusive TIE fighter for Darth Vader himself. With appropriate colored control dials, Darth Vader will be able to adjust power to shields, weapons, and propulsion on the fly. But the piece de resistance is the throttle capacitor that allows for a plus 10% rating to velocity for those more emergent chase situations. A new improved equilibrium sensor and ejection seat switch will help in any dogfights with those pesky Jedi. No more of this flying off, spinning around into space. Now, the laser design manufacturing plant is still in the works of being funded. So off-planet, I had ambient light panels constructed from a phosphorescent foamy sea creature skin resourced from the outpost Sequest DSV, situated in the watery depths of Naboo. And without proper flight indicator lighting, how would one know the vessel is ready for battle? Solid lights providing an assurance of critical systems being powered up, while blinking lights will let Lord Vader know that an ancillary equipment is charged and activated for instantaneous use should he require it. Now if you like this project, stay tuned for next week when I use more sprinkler timers to make more props in a different universe. Maybe even a multiverse. Only a few last system checks and this control module will be ready to be installed in Lord Vader's craft. All systems good to go.